Hi everyone, this is Bhaskar. Today I am going to explain how to register NASCAM courses. Okay, there are so many possibilities that to register the courses. It may be via the Google or you can go to the Play Store from your mobile. You can register and you can choose the subjects. Okay, so in both cases I am going to explain how to register via the Google as well as the Play Store. First I am going to register the course futureskillprime.edcast.com. Okay, the link will given in the description. Okay, so here there are another possibilities that first you need to register the courses. Okay, for that there are three cases. Is the one you can click the sign up. If we click the sign up option, it will asking the first name and last name, email id and password. After that you need to click by agreeing button, then create the account. Another way you can click the Google, join now with the Google. Okay, just to click that, it directly redirected to your Gmail ID. Okay, then log in your email ID and register your courses. Okay, already I registered, so it directly come to the home pages of NASCOM website. Okay, so anyhow, who all are not registered that courses, I may explain once again. Go to the registration link, that link given in the description, then you can click the sign up option. Okay, so after register that you will get the verification mail. Okay, so just to click that link which you receive to your email id, then your registration process is completed. After that we need to choose any two subject. Okay, based on that circular we already passed in the your WhatsApp group. Okay, so in that you can choose either basic or foundation level courses and deep skilling courses. Okay, in that you can choose any courses: artificial intelligence foundation, big data foundation, foundation on IoT, or introduction to cyber security courses. Okay, the corresponding link also given here. This link also I will give in by description. Okay, so I will choose any two link. Okay, first I will click AI. Okay, artificial intelligence foundation, you just click that. Okay, again it will redirect to the home page. You can, if you after, if you registered, just to give the email id and password. Okay, or otherwise you can go to join now with Google option. Additionally, Facebook also available, join now with LinkedIn option also available, but try to register by your login id, that is a good one. Okay, so again if you click that, I will choose join now with Google because already I registered. It went to my home pages. Okay, so here if you click that, your name will be appear. Okay, in that profile you can see your details. Okay, then if you click the my dashboard. Okay, so the home page will come. Okay, there are many subject is there. Okay, anyhow this is a general procedure, but we gave only the few links for register the particular courses. We can choose that link alone. Okay, once again, so again I am opening that link. Okay, the link is opened. Okay, so in that you need to click the first link. Okay, so here I am clicking the join now with Google. It redirected to the home page. Here the course name is available, Artificial Intelligence Foundation. Okay, in that the details of course detail, everything given. It is a free of cost only. We can learn many things from these courses. Okay, you need to register, just click the enroll. Okay, so in that the default itself English is available. Okay, just to proceed with the order. Okay, then you need to give the details like that. One by one, if you give the detail, finally the registration everything will be over. Thank you.